fridge love, keeping cool under all the excess meat you bought. Excess meat you bought. Excess meat, excess me. Why do you always stock me up before eating the rest? Do you just really hate me that much, or do you just excess? Oh, it's fridge love, keeping cool on all those excessive meat products. Excessive meat products. Oh, after all, I'm a disposable piece of meat, which means you would never think I'm neat. Just to say I'm not unique. Oh, I'm just a piece of meat. Oh, a piece of me. Oh, it's fridge love, keeping cool like all those excessive meat products. Cause I'm just an excessively meat product. Oh, I'm not me, I'm just me to think I could be needful, yeah. Never could I be needful, yeah. I'm just not like, I'm not unique. I'm just a piece of meat left over, and you'll never sew over and over and over. Oh, it's fridge love, keeping cool in the cold place of your heart. I'm just an excessively piece of meat. Your thoughts, I would never be neat for you. Just a piece of meat for you. Oh, I'm not unique, you never will. That's what you think, I'm just a bill. I'm just excessive, aren't I? A piece of meat, not a rye. Am I right? Unimportant, would you say alright? See you in Biboe tonight. Oh, it's fridge love, keeping cool like all those excessive meat products. Excessive meat products, excessive meat.